Ranveer Singh is one of the highest paid actors of Bollywood in recent times, with a huge fan base across the country for his acting skill. But it is sad to see that Ranveer Singh has not come forward to donate any amount to help his nation in this fight against COVID. Kiara Advani. This young and beautiful actress is one of the rising stars in Bollywood industry, and it is sad to see her silent in crisis time. Yes, even this Kabir Singh actress too has not donated a single penny during the second wave. Ranbir Kapoor. One of the leading actors of Bollywood industry is Ranbir Kapoor, and he has a huge fan following. But sadly, this actor too decided to maintain his silence during the second wave of COVID and did not make any generous donation. Sara Ali Khan. This star kid leads a lavish lifestyle and visited Maldives even during this second wave of COVID-19. And it is sad to see that Sara has not made any effort to help people out of this tough time. Ananya Pandey. Another star kid, Ananya Pandey, seems to be quite busy with her luxurious lifestyle. Seems like she has not time or intention to make even a small donation for people in crisis time. Janhvi Kapoor. This young actress is getting slammed because she recently bought a swanky apartment worth 39 crores but made zero donation. She even got slammed by people for posting her bold images from vacation in this time when people are losing lives. Shahid Kapoor. It is shocking to see one of the highest paid actors of Bollywood, Shahid, making no efforts to help people. His wife Meera has started a billion breath movement, but seems like Shahid is staying as far as possible from all these.
Thank you so much, Kia, for having me as your
Tiger
brand
Shroff.
ambassador. And
Tiger got slammed by Bollywood celebs and people for leaving the country in such a worse situation. He too has not made any kind of donation, even though Maharashtra is greatly affected by the second wave of COVID. Disha Patani. Disha got slammed by Nawazuddin Siddiqui for posting bold bikini picture even when the situation is alarming. The actress is silent too when it comes to the matter of donating for country. Siddharth Malhotra. This handsome Bollywood actor has decided to stay silent for donation or any kind of help. Arjun Kapoor. This star kid too has not donated a single penny for the greater cause of helping the underprivileged. Malaika Arora. Even though she leads a lavish lifestyle, Malaika has not taken the decision of donation. Saif Ali Khan. The Nawab of Bollywood, Saif, along with Begum Kareena, has made no donation in recent times. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Gorgeous actress Aishwarya is silent too when the matter is about donating money for people's welfare. Aamir Khan. In spite of being one of the Khans of Bollywood industry, Aamir Khan has not made any donation for the second wave.